So guys, now we're gonna pick our jute leaves. So Tagalog, saluyot guys. Sa English, jute. Yan guys.
On that side.
So, ang sasawag natin sa ating corn beef.
Pull all the way. Because it is a bit loose. What? It's a bit loose. Pull it all the way.
So guys, yung nga palang naririnig yung background sa likod, yung anak ko tsaka kaibigan niya nagagawa ng motor.
What are you using now? Is that on? Is that on? Is that on?
Guys, napakasustansya nito. Full of fiber, vitamins and minerals.
No, but it's not working.
Okay na yan. So guys, eto nga ang na-harvest namin jute leaves o saluyot. Ugasan muna natin. Ayan guys. Babad muna natin. So magagayat muna tayo ng onion. Guys, we're gonna cut it into chunks. So guys, optional. Kung gusto nyo may garlic, pwede. Pwede rin wala. Ako onion lang, sapat na. So now guys, maglalagay tayo ng oil. There you go. Painitin lang natin. Let it heat it up. Now we're gonna add the onion. Guys, optional if you want garlic, pwede para garlicky siya. Pero ako guys, onion lang, okay na, sapat na. So let it saute. Yan guys, at aking helper, bubuksan ng corn beef. Okay, tapon na dito. Open it. Yan guys, ang ating favorite na brand ng corn beef, Palm corn beef from New Zealand. Yan guys, so guys, dati nga pala nagawa ako ng another corn beef recipe. I'll put the description sa link below. So ang nilagay ko dati sa corn beef, talbos ng sili, chili leaves. Ngayon naman guys, dahon ng jute o saluyot. Lagay na natin ang corn beef. Yan. Our second can. Yan. Guys, ang kagandahan nitong pound corn beef, napaka-juicy at tsaka chunky. Guys, nakita nyo naman yung chunk ng ng beef. Talaga guys, niluluto pa lang. Maglalaway ka na. Halu-haluin lang, stir it occasionally. Yan na, ang aroma niya, umaangat na ang amoy, guys. Yan na. Yes. So ilalagay na natin ang saluyot o jute leaves. Napaka-healthy niyan guys. Mamango na. Sariwang dahon for a healthy dish. So guys, sana mapanood nyo rin yung aking unang presentation ng corned beef with chili leaves.
You want me to get the rice? Over there?
So ayan guys, there you have it, luto na. So time na para kumain, let's go! Na guys, kakain na. Alam nyo guys, kada magluluto ako, kailangan meron taste test.
Oh, may
So,
special guest tayo, guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
Ang friend ng aking anak na si Casey, nagawa sila ng motorcycles with my son AC.
What up?
Yan, with Ray and with my brother Alex. So, ayun nga sa nasabi ko guys, kailangan laging ite-taste test ang aking niluto with this special fried rice. Nakita nyo naman guys, with shrimp. Wow, napaka-special niyan.
Oh, guys, sandok na.
Natigin. Wow, yummy, yummy fried rice. Yan, hintayin mo matapos siya doon, anak, sa scooping. Yan. Ito na magkakaalaman. So, yan na guys. Sandok na ng ulam. Naku, napaka-healthy. Tingnan nyo naman ang dahon. Freshly harvested. Oh. Yeah, corned beef. With fresh jute leaves. Brother, masintensya na yan. So our viewers will know kung masarap ba talaga ang corned beef with vegetable, with jute leaves. Thumbs up, nakakuha na tayo ng isang thumbs up. Nakita nyo naman guys, freshly harvested, freshly cooked.
Guys, tikman ko. Yan guys, saluyot.
Yes.
Ayos, sarap.
Yes.
This gets a double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. Yummy. Nakikita nyo naman guys yung pagka-green ng saluyot o jute leaves. Guys, samahan nyo pa ng napakasarap na fried rice. So guys, ako naman, nagutom na rin ako. Ayan, daming gulay. Kuha tayo ng fried rice. Ayan guys. Ray, sandok pa.
Yeah, no.
So titikman natin. So eto na guys, ang moment of truth. Guys, tingnan nyo naman gano'ng ka chunky. Yan yung corned beef, oh. Meron pa siyang konting fat. Gatel, sarap niyan, no? Yummy. Guys, para mas makita nyo, guys, yung dahon ng saluyot. Kahit tubig muna. Sarap guys, tama-tama yung combination niya. Fresh corned beef with the jute leaves. Freshly cooked fried rice guys. Tama-tama, mainit na meal sa malamig na panahon. So, dig in! Mmm!
Guys, my shrimp, oh.
Yes! Sarap.
Guys, titignan ko kung may saluyot na. Saluyot pa lang, sob na. Here, Brother Milo.
Next year, dadamihan natin ang tanim na saluyot.
Yun ba yan dito? Yun nasa... Yun o.
Mhm.
Round 2. Guys, as you can see, oh, agawan sa corned beef and saluyot, sarap. Kailangan next year damihan tanim ng saluyot. Pakasarap talaga, guys.
Ubus. Pwede pang ilamos ng corned beef yung fried rice sa kawali. Kain lang guys.
Guys, napakasarap. Agawan talaga sa corned beef and saluyot.
Ubos.
Ubos, sarap, no?
Wala naman rice.
Ako.
Sa corned beef. Oh.
Ako, third batch ko to. Sarap.
Sa third?
Yes, matter, bro.
So guys, I hope you like this corned beef presentation. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Peace. Peace.